Carrara, the White Town, the world's capital city of marble. Between the northwest coast of Tuscany and the Alpi Apuane mountains, its history, life, richness and culture were founded and live until these days on the white gold, the marble from its surrounding mountains. Here we have one quarry that was used by the Romans since 1st century BC.
Carrara marble, the best marble in the world. Beautiful, used since the ancient Roman Empire. Here they used to mine more than 2,000 years ago. Beautiful white marble, ancient mines.
Let's take a look. At the beginning, in ancient times, they extracted pieces of marble, working along the natural lines of fracture of the rocks. They used metal leverage, or insert wood and then water that would expand it. Now you can see perfect square blocks obtained with the use of modern machinery. After Rome, of course, came the Middle Ages. Here we have the castle of the powerful Malaspina family. They ruled these lands for centuries. This is the Cathedral Square. Guess who was at home here in Carrara? The great Michelangelo Buonarroti. Yes, this guy. The guy who made this, and 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 etc. endless genius. Here they say in marble, more and more times these walls had for guest Michelangelo Buonarroti, when, turning eternal the concepts of his creative mind to our mountains, he used to came. We are inside the Carrara's cathedral. Many educated and cultured people have lived in Carrara, making it a town of studies and arts. Here we have the statue of Pellegrino Rossi, economist, jurist, professor, diplomat and politician. But my favorite is Angelo Pelliccia, medical doctor and philosopher, educated in classical studies. He wrote a book in 1850 about the principles of the public health and public morality. He wrote that doctors should not earn money inventing false cures and false diseases. He was a very important person, but he had problems with powerful lobbies. He suffered lawsuits. He was considered a nonconformist and rebel. It's a story of a future past, nothing new, my friends. Talking about great persons, here is the statue of Alberto Meschi, anarchist and trade unionist. He obtained for workers of the quarries a job day of 6 hours instead of the 12 hours that they used to do. Do you imagine 12 hours breaking, cutting, moving stones on the mountains? In Colonnata, a village up on the mountains over Carrara, there's the monument dedicated to the quarrymen. Hard life up and down the walls of the mountains. Workers lived in villages like Colonnata to be near their hard and dangerous job. Colonnata is also famous for its lard. Carrara is the cradle of Italian anarchy. Here in Cathedral Square, in front of the old Michelangelo house, we have the Italian Anarchist Federation, with their manifestos against the great global capitalist companies and powers. Is it coincidence that beside there's the commemoration to Giordano Bruno, philosopher of the free liberal thought? In the center of Carrara, you can find a fountain with a marble bowl by the American sculptor Kenneth Davis. A hidden mechanism makes this rocky bowl like to stay afloat and roll over the water. All this marble makes me wanna go sculpting. So, this is a little piece of marble from Carrara, and I've been carving and sculpting and trying to get out the shape of my pet, my guinea pig. Her name is Wiwi. That's why the name of the channel, Wiwi, eating a carrot, yeah. And in the next few days, months, weeks, who knows, I'll be working, trying to get a beautiful shape of a guinea pig. Is it nice so far? We will see. So for today's video, that's all, and we'll see you on the next. Thank you.